In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collab with Romwe. We'll walk through the full process from understanding collaboration types to landing paid deals, so you know exactly what to do and why each step matters. First, get familiar with the kinds of partnerships Romwe offers. You'll see gifted collaborations where you receive free clothes, paid partnerships, usually reserved for larger or proven creators, affiliate partnerships where you earn a commission per sale, and UGC deals where the brand licenses your photos or videos. Most creators start with a mix of gifted and affiliate because it's the fastest way to build trust while earning on sales. Before reaching out, prepare your creator profile. Make sure your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube is active, your niche is clear. Think fashion, lifestyle, try-ons, or hauls. Your content quality is solid with good lighting and clean editing, and your profile is public. Even smaller accounts can get approved when engagement is strong, so focus on valuable captions, clear visuals, and consistent posting. When you're ready, apply through the Romwe influencer or creator program, through affiliate platforms they partner with, or occasionally directly via social DMs or listed contact methods. You'll typically share your name, email, social links, follower count, engagement rate, and country. Be accurate and professional. Approval can take a few days up to 2 weeks. While you wait, join the affiliate program. You can secure a custom discount code, earn commission on sales, and make yourself more attractive for future paid campaigns. Using affiliate links alongside content is a great way to get noticed. Remember to disclose affiliate relationships according to your local guidelines. You can also pitch Romwe directly. Keep it short, professional, and friendly. Introduce yourself as a fashion creator, say why you like the brand, suggest the type of content you can deliver, like Reels, TikToks, or UGC, and invite them to collaborate. If you're approved, you'll receive an item allowance or budget, content requirements, and a deadline. Choose products that fit your style and audience, confirm sizes and colors, and provide accurate shipping details. Shipping typically takes about 7 to 15 days, so plan your content schedule accordingly. Create and post your content as agreed. Try on hauls, styling videos, and short form clips work well. Tag Romwe, use any required hashtags, and mention your discount code if you have one. Follow the posting rules closely to avoid disqualification. After posting, submit proof with links, screenshots, and analytics if requested. Keeping a simple tracker helps. To level up to paid deals, deliver on time, over-deliver with extra clips or photos, tag consistently, and drive affiliate sales. Brands are more likely to pay creators who are reliable and show results.